Hola! In this video I'm going to show you how to make my savory chicken enchiladas. My family's enjoyed them for decades. They've been a favorite at parties, war dinners, and school events. They're delicious and not too terribly high in calories and easy to make. We've all had enchiladas, but where do they come from? The enchilada originated in Mexico, where the practice of rolling tortillas around other food dates back to at least Mayan times. The enchilada was mentioned in the first Mexican cookbook published in 1831. Let's get started. We'll need 2 cans of enchilada sauce, 1 bag of corn tortillas, 1 bag baked chicken, chopped olives, chopped green onions, cilantro, shredded cheddar cheese, and finally some sour cream if you want it. Cook each tortilla in hot oil for 90 seconds on each side, then dip the tortilla in the enchilada sauce that you put in a bowl. Then lay it on your baking dish. Fill the tortilla with shredded chicken, a few chopped green onions, and a bit of shredded cheddar cheese, then roll it up. Make several more just like this. When done, pour some of the remaining enchilada sauce over the enchiladas. Now sprinkle your cheddar cheese on them, followed by your remaining chopped green onions, cilantro, and olives. Add a few hefty spoonfuls of sour cream if you'd like to. Heat your oven to 425 degrees. Bake enchiladas covered in foil for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for about another 25 minutes, until ingredients are boiling. Take out of the oven and let cool for half an hour. Now, serve with rice, beans, fruit, whatever you like. They're delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.